In a world facing unprecedented challenges, we find ourselves at the critical crossroad. Climate change and the energy crisis are no longer distant threats, but immediate realities that demand our attention. But amidst these challenges lies an opportunity for us to come together, to safeguard our planet, and to build a better future for generations to come. We believe that individual actions can have a collective impact. Through this video presentation, we inspire everyone to take simple yet meaningful steps towards reducing their carbon footprint. From conserving energy at home to supporting clean energy initiatives, together we can combat climate change, overcome the energy crisis, and build a world where clean energy powers change.
Climate change impacts are seen throughout every aspect of the world we live in. The impacts of climate change on different sectors of society are interrelated. Climate change refers to more than an increase in temperature. It also includes sea level rise, changes in weather patterns like drought and flooding, and much more. Things that we depend upon and value: water, energy, transportation, wildlife, agriculture, ecosystems, and human health. These are experiencing the effects of a changing climate. The projections of a climate change impacted future are not inevitable.
Climate change has a big impact on society due to its causes and effects. It is an interconnected system of human activity. Failure to act quickly now would result in reversal of development gains for society's poorest and most vulnerable people, an erosion of biodiversity, increased difficulty in providing food and shelter. Also, the potential loss of entire nations due to the effects of climate change. Human actions, such as the use of fossil fuels, consuming too much, manufacturing, and the destruction of rainforests are having a growing impact on the climate change and Earth's temperature, adding massive amounts of greenhouse gases to those already existing in the atmosphere. While the effects of climate change on society include hotter temperatures, more severe storms, a warming oceans, more health risks, poverty and displacement, and many more.
The warning of a global warming, as climate change and the energy crisis are no longer distant threats but immediate realities that demand our attention. We, as a community, can play a crucial role in mitigating the hazards caused by climate change through simple ways. First, awareness and advocacy. The community can raise awareness and educate people about climate change and the impacts it can have on our planet. Second, energy conservation. Normalize reducing of energy usage at home and work. Switch to renewable sources of energy and reduce reliance on fossil fuels. Third, waste reduction. Composting, recycling, and reducing the use of disposable plastics can help reduce the amount of methane produced in landfills, a potent greenhouse gas. Last but not the least is sustainable transportation. Let us advocate the sustainable transportation options such as biking, walking, public transit, or electric vehicles to help reduce carbon emissions. Collectively, these efforts can help mitigate the hazards caused by climate change and contribute to a greener and more sustainable future. Let us act now. Our planet needs our help. Together, let us combat climate change.
In the modern world, understanding the energy confusion is essential. In order to meet the demands of an expanding population and manufacturing, there must be a scarcity or lack of energy supplies. Numerous causes including rising energy demand, the scarcity of fossil fuels, and environmental issues related to their use are to blame for this natural disaster. The effects of the energy crisis are wide, as expenses for energy grow and business struggle to sustain their operation. It has an impact on the economy. Additionally, it affects people and households since they pay more for energy and can encounter power interruptions or rationing. The energy crisis also affects the environment since burning fossil fuels causes climate change and other ecological issues.
In order to prevent an energy crisis, it is crucial that we consume less energy by improving and modernizing energy infrastructure such as smart grid solutions and smart cities. These clean and sustainable alternative energy solutions include solar energy, hydropower, wind energy, geothermal energy, and biomass energy. It is also important that we replace old devices by energy-efficient solutions such as replacing traditional light bulbs by light-emitting diode or LEDs. Humans, let's eliminate the world reliance on non-renewable resources while improving overall conservation efforts.
Climate change is a global issue that affects us all. It's caused by the increase in greenhouse gases in the atmosphere, primarily due to human activities. However, there are possible solutions that we can implement to prevent climate change, and we, as people on Earth, must take action. One solution to prevent climate change is to transition to renewable energy sources like solar, wind, and hydroelectric power. As individuals, we should reduce our carbon footprint by using energy-efficient appliances, driving less, and eating less meat. We should support businesses that use renewable energy and advocate for policies that promote renewable energy. Another solution is to promote sustainable land use practices such as reforestation and conservation of wetlands. As individuals, we should participate in tree planting activities, support conservation organizations, and advocate for policies that protect natural habitats. Lastly, as individuals, we should reduce our waste by using reusable bags, container, and water bottles. We should support businesses that use sustainable packaging and advocate for policies that promote recycling. We, the people on this earth, we should work together to create a more sustainable future for ourselves and for future generations.